Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to bootuppd.org, you might have created a project like the Beatbox machine, where when you press the green flag, nothing happens. Isn't that pretty neat? Yeah, I'm sure you've all created something like this. I know I have, all the time. Actually, this one just makes it so that when you press the arrow keys, boom, it will make different sounds and faces. And if you press spacebar, boom, scat, boom, scat, boom, scat, boom, scat, wee. Yeah, so you can make some funny pictures of yourself and then make some music with it. But I want to show you a neat idea by a different scratcher named Eric R. So this particular project is called Beatbox Quartet. So when we press the green flag, so rather than having one person make the face and the different sounds, you could have different people. So if I press left arrow, up, right, and down. So that I thought was a pretty neat idea. So if you are working on your particular project on bootuppd.org and you see something on there, try and think of how you could expand it to do more stuff on it. So if you create your own Beatbox project or your own music-related project, comment below so we can share it in our neat idea videos each Friday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.